everyone. Welcome to this video. It's going to be a very short video. We are going to talk about how we can give access to the users on automated basis. So what happens is whenever a user logs in, a new user comes in, uh, normally you have to go to the license management and you have to allocate a license. So, but there is a security rule that you can define, and on the basis of which you can automatically assign users to a particular license site. So, for example, if you come to the license management in here, so if you see there is a professional access allocation rule, and then there is a analyzers access. And if you have a capacity license, you will also have that. The capacity license is important because in the capacity there are many people are coming in, so you can use that in order to give the access on automated basis. So let's see how we can do that. So just click in here and you will see there is no rule by default, so just create new, and here you can do anything. And what I'm going to do, it's very simple. So if you see in here, you will see drop down, on user and the user attribute. It can be a name, but we are not going to give on a name. Definitely you can give on any custom property which is appears at the rate. So what you can do is by default there is nothing, but you can create a custom property called a security rule. So let's do that. Okay, I'm going here. I'm canceling this one for the moment, and I'm going to custom property, and I'm going to create a new one, and it is going to be a user based property, and let's call it license type, and let's name it for allocation of license to user. And let's, because there are only 3 types, so we were going to call it professional, and we're going to call it analyzer, and we're going to call it capacity, and I'm going to click on apply. So this is created, and now I'm going to again license management, and I'm going to analyzer capacity. I'm going to go on a new rule, and in this new rule now I'm using this license type, and I'm saying if that is analyzer and validate it. Now whenever a user comes in and you assign him analyzer type, access properties, to in custom property you assign him analyzer, he will automatically get analyzer license. And how to do the custom define custom properties, I have a video, my previous video, if you can see that, that explains that. I'm going to do another video specifically for custom properties. You can watch that as well. Okay, so here we are, and I'm going to click on apply here, and now I'm going to professional access one, and I'm going to create a new one rule, and again I'm going to okay. By the way, if you are using Active Directory, you see there are other attributes, user directory, and you can, when you are importing your users from an Active Directory, you can import a group or a field or an attribute from Active Directory as well. So you can define these type of licenses based on your Active Directory group. For example, if you have made an Active Directory BA user, BA analyzers in your Active Directory, and you can use the same role or same attribute in here. So for the time being, I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to say that if it's professional one, give it the professional one. I'm going to validate it, done, rule is valid, and apply. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon.